Discover the Bear-Loc solution for your hydraulic load holding and locking needs. Do your hydraulic applications require superior safety and performance? The Bear-Loc solution offers reliable fail-safe performance. Here's how. The Bear-Loc reliably holds loads indefinitely with no drift using precise interference fit. The sleeve expands when hydraulic pressure is applied and allows the rod to move freely with no wear. When pressure is removed, whether intentionally or accidentally, the Bear-Loc locks instantly at any position in the rod stroke, even bi-directionally. Even if all fluid is lost, the Bear-Loc will hold position. Bear-Loc has decades of field service, available as a cylinder lock combination or just a lock. Designs can be in the tie rod or mill style, as well as rotary, and customized for any application with up to 4 million pounds of load holding capacity. Discover Bear-Loc's superiority in civil engineering, manufacturing, marine and subsea, any hydraulic application requiring fail-safe superior performance, ask for Bear-Loc.